and this is one of the families that was the first to be tracked. Guys, hello guys, thank you for watching Big Nine Wonders. I thank you all the time for supporting my videos. Today we are here, as I have told you, we are having a tour in the city. This one is one of the statues that we have in the city. This statue represents the mountain gorillas. There are many mountain gorillas in Uganda, and this is one of the families that was the first to be tracked. As you can see, it is an amazing one. This one is the family of Ruhondeza. Ruhondeza is a famous family in the Bwindi Impenetrable Forest National Park. This is the name of the silverback. It was founded by this gentle giant called Ruhondeza, and they had to keep the name so that they can honor this amazing silverback. So this is the statue. It is in Kampala, and we shall see other statues around the city, which are put mainly to appreciate or to show some of the resources that are treasured in this country, which is so amazing. There is also a picture here, you can see, with some explanations of how the name came. It is here like this, and you can see it is amazing, guys. Kampala has many statues, and we are going to see most of them. We are exploring the city. This is the city tour, and I want to show you these places so that you guys, you can appreciate that Kampala has this tourism at heart. There are many other tourist attractions that are represented in this city, but we will not show you all of them, but these are the few that we are going to show you, and we hope you guys, you are enjoying our video. From here, we proceed to another monument here, which is the Independence Monument. And guys, I hope you keep enjoying this amazing video as we are bringing it to you. So guys, this one is the Independence Monument. This is the Independence Monument, and we are also going to see it. And maybe you guys, you can see the details on this. Many significances, and many people can see it and can interpret it differently. But there is a meaning why it is put like this, and I will explain to you later. But I'm just showing you the brief of how this monument looks like. This Independence Monument is on Speak Road, just here in the heart of Kampala, just a walkable distance to the Parliament of Uganda, and near some good hotels like Sheraton Hotel and Grand Imperial. It is of a man unwrapping a child to the sky. And this signifies the independence, where Uganda was getting independence and from Britain in 1962. It was erected in 1962 in October 9th, when Uganda received independence, and Kabaka Mutesa II became the president, and Milton Obote became the prime minister. And this one is like a sign of letting the country be free and be independent to survive on its own. That's why the child is being unwrapped and flying to the sky, which is an amazing thought. And these guys really put into a monument, and it is really amazing. And you can see even there are other significances that are hidden behind this monument. Hello guys watching. We are still here on Kampala City Tour. We are still visiting Kampala, and I'm still showing you some amazing places, especially the statues we have here in Kampala, and what they signify or what they stand for. I hope you guys, you enjoy this. Today is a Sunday, and there are few people on the streets, and you can see that the streets are having few people. But this tour is mainly to show you that there are some statues in Kampala that show how they are cherished, or what they mean, and why they put them in the city. I hope you guys, you are still enjoying this city tour. Just come with me, And in case it is your first time to watch this video, please, I ask you to give it a like. You can comment and tell us what you think about these statues, and you can also subscribe to this channel. You can subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out other videos that we are going to post, because we have more videos that talk about Uganda, that talk about East Africa, that talk about the attractions, the amazing attractions that you can find here. And when you see these attractions and you like them, you can just contact us, and then you have a safari. You can contact us and arrange for a safari to visit these amazing places. We have more attractions that we show. I hope you check out our other videos. We have talked about Kampala. We have videos from other national parks, and we shall bring more still coming. We have more videos that are coming that we shall be showing you. This is one of the organized places in Kampala, and we hope you guys still enjoy. Yeah, Kampala is a very busy city, but today is a Sunday and there are fewer people around this place. But when you come in other days, you can find that there are many people, and it is a very busy place that you can ever visit. And these are the few places that we are going to visit, and you guys, I hope you enjoy this. Yeah. Guys, we are having some amazing time here, checking out most of the statues that we have in the city. We are here. We are going to see this other amazing statue. As you can see, look at this. Look at this. This is so amazing. We are going to see it in details. Look at this. This is one of the statues here that I would like also to show you. Look at this. This is still in Kampala. This is still in Kampala. I am going to show you the details of it, and I hope you guys, you are going to enjoy this monument of the impala. These are the animals called the impala. Impala, this is literally the origin of the name Kampala. So when you see them, these ones, they are the animals that the name originates from. It is known that the king of Uganda, where Kampala City is, used to go for hunting these animals called impala. So Kampala means the land of impalas, the land of impalas. So when he was coming to this place to hunt, when it was still a forest, then they knew that this is the place for impalas. They knew that it is called the place of impalas. So they called it Kampala, because it is where the impalas were before in the earlier days. Most of the places here in Kampala, in Uganda, were forests. So this was a bush where they could come and hunt impalas. So it was known as the place of impalas, and so that's where the origin of the name comes from. So this monument was put here mainly to appreciate the name of the city, Kampala, to say that it is the place of impalas, as you can see them here. It is so amazing, guys. When you come closer, you will see that these ones are mainly 3 of them. These are 3 impalas. The impalas you have seen, mainly in Uganda, we can see impalas in 2 national parks. In the Mgahinga Falls National Park majorly, and in Lake Mburo National Park in western Uganda. This is where we can see these amazing animals called impalas, and also other animals, of course, in other national parks. But if you want to see these 2, you have to go to at least 2 of those national parks, and you can sight them there. It is so amazing because most of these monuments that you will see here in Kampala, they have the meaning. And I have explained to you the meaning of this monument here. which is found either in the middle of the city. Actually, it is near the office of the Kampala Capital City Authority, or the leadership of the city. So this is why it was erected here in the city. Today is a Sunday. It is not a busy day, and that's why we are able to see streets have many few cars and few people. But it's amazing, guys. You have seen this impala.